and welcome back to my car. Oh my goodness, this week on our makeup hunt we are looking for the new Halsey's About Face makeup brand at Walmart, but it's not the original About Face line, although it looks very similar, but it's just like a little different, the same but different, and half the price. It is called AF94. Now I forgot what it's called. AF94. That's what it's called. So we're looking for AF94 today. I don't know. I have a really rinky-dink little Walmart by me, so I don't know if it's gonna have it. It says the bigger one may have it when I did store locator on the About Face website, or the AF94, whatever. So I looked on that website and it says the bigger one near me should have it, but when I went on to Walmart's website, it was saying everything was out of stock. So maybe they're supposed to have it and everything's out. I don't know. Either way, I'm gonna hunt today to find that. And if I can't find that, I'm gonna show you what else is new at Walmart. If there's anything, maybe pick up some restocks that I need of some favorite drugstore items. We'll see where this little makeup journey takes us. And if all else fails, I will end up probably placing an order for some items because I want to try them and see them, and then I'll do a separate video trying everything out. I don't know. So that's what we're gonna do. And if you want to join me, then let's go. Boo boop. We got that Starbuckies. I've been sipping on the cinnamon dolce latte iced, but I'm waiting for that pumpkin spice. I know it's early, but I want it. Okay, this is kind of cute. Not gonna lie. And $6.98. I kind of like it. I love these, but the material feels like kids' clothes. If that was like structured, I'd be all about that, with like a white tee and oversized tee. So cute. Can't tell if it's bigger or smaller now, but it's definitely different over here. Okay, I tried one of these and I loved it, so I'm gonna grab the green and the purple. Oh wait, there's two different purples. Did I get the right one? Yeah, I'm gonna grab these two. $3.98, and they're really good. And I'm also seeing this new Surely Me Tinted Moisturizer from Hard Candy. Anything else that's new though? It's kind of low today. Okay, kind of a bust. Mostly, yeah, but listen, I'm gonna go to the other Walmart tomorrow, same video, and see what they have. But I did pick up those little guys that I've been meaning to get. I almost forgot to grab them, but it's crazy. It's so weird. I'm glad that the market has slowed down with cosmetics. I think a lot of us were a little bit burnt out, but it's just weird how like there's basically nothing new ever, really. But I'm hoping that means more innovations coming down the pipeline. I gotta go try and find that About Face line, because I think that some of those products look really fun and different. All right, it's the next day at the bigger Walmart. Hopefully we'll find it here. Okay, this beauty section is huge. It is supposed to have the line. If we don't find it, I'll see what else is new, because I saw some posts on Trendmood that said there was some new stuff. Like NYX is supposed to have a new eye something or other. Well, here are the new Wonder Sticks, $13.97. They kind of remind me of those KKW ones that were totally overpriced and would break on people, but these are fraction of the cost. The blushes look nice because it's dual-sided, but I don't know if I love that for blush. Profusion still has the Mean Girls out. Still no Jurassic Park. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find that one. Okay, around the corner, and here it is. It's very picked over. It's slim pickings, but I'm gonna grab a couple things that I can get, and maybe I'll do an online order as well. This I have heard good things about. Plead the Fifth spray, so I'll get that one. Stickers are all gone. I didn't want them, but then the more I looked at them, I mean, the stars and stuff, it's kind of fun. It'd be fun to do. Ooh, yes, and this blush stick is exactly what I wanted. I got some stuff. I have to resist the makeup obsession urge to put everything on my face right now. I'll show you what I got when I got home. Okay, I am at home. It's the next day, and here's what I got. Here's what I found. Obviously, you saw the first day, the first Walmart trip, I got a couple of these. So I'm gonna try those on here in a minute and see, not on this video, but maybe a TikTok or something. There was actually most of the stuff that I wanted. I really wanted the lashes because they looked like perfect, but they didn't have them, and I don't wanna just order one thing. So I got the spray, as you saw, Plead the Fifth. Looks like a nice little, I heard good things, like I said. And then I got this mascara that's red. Listen, back in my day, back in high school, and then even it like came back around a couple years after high school, maybe like, I don't remember what year, 2010, color mascaras were big again. So anyways, I got this to try out Punch Drunk. It's like an orangey coral red, so I'm excited for that. I'll show you how I like to use it in the video where I try these on fully. And then the Shadow Boxer Eye Crayon and Tenderizer. I hate that name, but It looked like a good shade, so I can't wait to try that. And then the Playdate Multi-Use, it's like an orangey shade, Savor. And then I got this Majorly Matte Liquid Lip Cream, no, Matte Liquid Lip in Dream a Lie. So because I know this is a short video and you're gonna have to wait until I do the full, almost full face, using all these products on, it's not a full face, but they don't have a full face. I have a lot of eyeshadow sticks, lip pencils and lipsticks that I wanted just one product. I didn't want the gloss because I'm a plumping gal and I wasn't a plumper. So anyways, I'll try these in a separate video, but I need to give you something to see today. So I'll try on this matte lip. So I kept my eyeshadow none, so I can just make it a bold lip. So let's try it. Oh, that's really pigmented and smooth. Oh, and smells way better than the actual About Face line. Listen, TBH, I love the shade that I got from the About Face liquid lip line, but it smells like tea tree oil and like eucalyptus. And if you like those kind of scents, that's great, but I can't do those essential oil smells. So it's weird as a lippy, you know, but this one's nice. This is nice. I haven't worn a like colorful lippy in forever. Just the nude for like so long. That's really nice. Hello Fall, Dream a Lie. That's really pretty. Formula's still drying down, but it's easy to work with. A lip liner will probably make it even easier, but yeah, for a drugstore lippy, this is not bad. I see like a tiny bit of like patchiness, like some areas that I could use a little bit more, but when I get to the outer line, it kind of gets a little sketch where I'm gonna overdo it, you know? Like up here, could use a little bit more. It's taking on more product easily. It's not getting weird, so that's good. I wonder how long it's gonna last, you know, but you'll have to find out. I'll update you when I do my full face and we'll see. Not full, I know I keep saying that. I know it's not a full face, but we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna play. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet so you don't miss out on that video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for some extended content at ashleyellix. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Thanks so much for shopping with me. Okay, bye.